Hello everyone, I am Mashinil Puljaratna, Department of Computer Mathematics, University of Madras. I created accommodation rate prediction model for machine learning module. Let's move, let's move to the workflow of the notebook. So this is a data set that I use. Okay, first let's move to the preprocessing part. This is I imported Pandas library, and first I import the dataset to the notebook. This is our dataset, first 5 rows. Then I check the null values of the each column. Then I shows there are 293 grades null values and like that the null values in the table. Since the grade column I use as a dependent variable, there are no other solution. I dropped all the 293 columns uh, null value columns. So next I moved to solve these MC, UC and MC and the AG division null values. For that, first I check are there both these four columns are null, columns are exist. So there are two of them, and then I check the longitude and latitude are available, but the AGA division and PSMC UC columns are only missed. So then I found there are 5 rows. So in these 5 rows, we can predict the AG division and the PSMC UC using these longitude and latitude values. So I manually added them and fill these null values. Then to fill these two, I use address of these hotels, and the I fill that. So the another issue I saw is the grade is defined as the many ways like A, B, C, and the star marks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the deluxe is standard superior. So I make them in a standard one way using A, B, C. I define them like this, and then I move into the outlier checker. For the outlier check, I check the grades according to the rules. So these are my outliers checking using those codes. Then I handle the outliers and make outliers to its boundary values, then upper bound and the lower bounds. I fix it like that. Okay, now let's move into the training part. So I define the y variable as a grade and the x variables, dropping name, latitude, and the address columns. And then I do the one hot encoding for other columns like that. So for training this dataset, I use mainly Catboost model. Uh, so before we train the model, we definitely need to do a train test speed. So instead of using train test speed, I use cross validation for this problem. So I use k-fold cross validation method, and I split to 5 parts whole dataset and do the cross validation. Then I train using Catboost. Then I got the 0.6587 accuracy. Next I move into the hyperparameter tuning. For the hyperparameter tuning, I use Bayesian method. I use library named Optuna. Using Optuna, I find the most suitable hyperparameters for the Catboost model. This is the process of it. And then the most suitable hyperparameters are chosen by the Optuna library. Then I use that parameters to the Catboost and I train it again. So in that case, I got 0.74 accuracy. These are the evaluation results I finally got for the final model. So this is a confusion matrix. Finally, I got. So thank you for the given time.